we are going to introduce a full-featured Android device manager called Mobikin Android Device Manager to be your assistant. With the help of the software, you are able to transfer content from Android phone to computer and vice versa, edit and manage phone data on computer. Part 1. One click to backup and restore your Android files. Initially, connect your Android to the PC using a USB cable. Launch the installed program on your computer, ensuring USB debugging is activated. On your device for proper detection, on the software interface, tap Super Toolkit at the top. Backup Android data with one click. Tap Backup, choose items like apps, contacts, messages, etc. Tick desired folders, select Save Location, then tap Backup to start. To restore the backed up data with this software, you can also simply tap on the option Super Toolkit, Restore, and select the files you want to recover and hit Restore button to get them back. Part 2. Transfer data between Android devices and computer. First of all, you should make the connection between your Android device and computer. Transfer to computer. Choose file types. Click Export. Transfer to phones. Click Import to transfer from computer to Android. Part 3. Edit and manage Android contacts info on computer. You can click Contacts first on the left column. All contacts will be scanned out, and you will see several managing options displayed on the top menu. Add new contact info into your device. Edit modify the data like add group, add number, address, etc. to the existing contact as you like. Delete remove unused or unnecessary info from your Android address book on PC directly. Export move your selected contact info from your device to computer. Import load the contact backup file from computer to Android devices. Part 4. Edit and send text messages or SIMs on computer. After entering the SMS category in the program, you can deal with your messages via below icons that are shown on the top menu. Open a pop-up window, and here you can send messages to any people you like. Delete remove any text conversation from your Android device on PC as you like. Export backup selected messages to desktop computer in specific formats. Import load the backed up messages to Android device. Part 5. Manage or transfer Android media files. Select Photos, Videos, Music, and eBooks categories from the left sidebar, and managing these media files by clicking the following button. Add import any pictures, music, videos, books you want from desktop computer to Android phone or tablet. Delete remove unwanted images, music, videos, books from Android easily. Export copy the selected media files from Android to computer for backup or other uses as you like. Part 6. Manage your apps without limitation. Tap on the application folder in the left panel, and then all the applications on your device will be displayed in the right pane. After that, you are capable of uninstall, or export the apps on your phone without any limitation.